Hello NewtonGATE champs. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Welcome back to yet another chapter from Coordinate Geometry. Today's chapter is section formula. Now, what is there in section formula? In section formula, we will be learning the formula if a line is divided equally or unequally, and also we will be learning the formula for the centroid of a triangle. So, let's begin with the section formula. Before starting, do watch till the end because I will be giving important questions at the end. So, let's begin with the definition of section formula. So, the section formula says that this formula gives us the coordinates of the point which divides internally or externally the line joining two points in a given ratio. So, a line which has 2 points, let's say this is A and B. Okay, take the example here. So, this is A and this is B. There are 2 points. The section formula gives us the coordinates of P. P is this point that is divided in the ratio, let's say M is to N. So, M is to N is the given ratio and A and B are the coordinates of the line, and we need to find out the coordinates of P by using the section formula. So, this section formula, this division is internal division. For the syllabus of class 10, you only have internal divisions. So, we'll just study internal divisions. So, let's see what is the formula for internal division. Internal division, the formula, this is the line joining P and Q. P and Q are two external or extreme points of the line, and R is the point, or R is the section which cuts the line in the ratio M1 is to M2. So, M1 is to M2 is our ratio, and P and Q are the endpoints, and we need to find the coordinates of R. So, the X coordinate is given by M1 into X2. So, M1 into X2 plus M2 into X1 by M1 plus M2. So, the numerator is M1 into X2 and M2 into X1 by M1 plus M2. Similarly, the value of Y is given by M1 into Y2 plus M2 into Y1 by M1 plus M2. So, solving this formula, we get the values of X and we get the values of Y. Okay, I hope this formula is clear. Let's see an example based on this formula. So, what does the question say? The question says the coordinates of 2 points A and B are -3 and 3 and 12, -7. P is a point on the line segment AB such that AP is to PB is 2 is to 3. Find the coordinates of P. So, there is a line AB whose coordinates are given, and P is a point on the line segment AB. Let's say this point is P. So, we need to find the coordinates of P. A and B coordinates are given, and the ratio AP is to PB is 2 is to 3. So, this is the diagram. Now, what will we do to find the value of P? Let's take P as X, Y, and using the previous formula, we will find the value of X and the value of Y. So, by using section formula, X is equal to M into X2 plus N into X1 by M plus N. So, we find the value of X as 3. Okay, X. The value of X is 3. Now, similarly, what will be the value of Y? Y is equal to, what was the formula of Y? Y is equal to M1 into Y2 plus M2 into Y1 by M1 plus M2. So, 3 into Y2. What is Y2? -7. So, 3 into -7 plus into 3. Value of y1 is 3. So divided by 2 plus 3. So what does it give us? This is equal to 15 by 5, that is equal to 3. So the value of y is 3 and the value of x is 3. So P is x comma y, that is equal to 3 comma 3. So the coordinates of P are 3 comma 3. Okay, this is how you use the internal section formula method and you find the value of the point P, or it can be anything. Using this formula you can also find the value of, let's say, y2 or y1, okay, provided the others are given. Now next is the formula for midpoint. Now similarly, if the line segment, let's give it a name, let's say A and B. The line segment AB is divided in the ratio 1:1. Why? Because midpoint. So this is the midpoint of the line AB. Let's say this is C. So how is the coordinates of C given? The coordinates of C are x and y, and it is divided into 1:1 ratio. So the midpoints are, or the midpoint is, the value of x is x1 plus x2 by 2 and the value of y is y1 plus y2 by 2. Why? If I show you why, what was the formula of x for section formula? X was equal to m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 by m1 plus m2. Right? This was the formula of x. So if we put the value of m1 and m2, what is m1 and m2? 1:1. So 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1 by 1 plus 1. This gives us x1 plus x2 by 2, x2 plus x1 by 2. So the formula is the same. Since the ratio is 1:1, that is why what does the formula become? x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Let's see an example. So, the example says find the coordinates of the midpoint of line segment joining the following pairs of points. So, 2 points are given and we need to find the coordinate of the midpoint. So, the points are, take it A and B, and the coordinate of midpoint is C, x comma y. So, this is the formula of midpoint. Now, what is the value of x? X is x1 plus x2 by 2. So, 2 minus x by 2, that is minus 2, and minus 3 plus 7 by 2, that gives us also 2. So, the coordinate of C is minus 2 comma 2. So, here we have a triangle. This is A, B and C. This is the centroid of this is a triangle. To find the centroid, now from the point A, we draw a median to the side BC. So let's say this point is D. This is D, E and F. D, the point D is the midpoint of the line BC. So AD is the median, BE is also a median and CF is also a median. So AD, BE, CF, they are medians of the triangle ABC. What is the centroid? Centroid is the intersection point of 3 medians. The medians AD, BE and CF, where they intersect, that point is called the centroid of a triangle. Okay, so to find the centroid of a triangle whose vertices, the coordinates of whose vertices are given. Let's say this is x1, y1. P is equal to x2, y2 and C is equal to x3, y3. So the centroid, let's say the centroid is represented by G. So G is equal to, G is given by the value of x comma y. So the value of g is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, and y is given by y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So I hope that centroid, what is a centroid, how can we say that this point is a centroid is clear, and how can we find the coordinates of the centroid is clear. So this is the formula you use, and what is a centroid? It is the intersection of medians of a triangle. Let's see an example and it will be more clear. So the example or the question says ABC is a triangle and G 4.4,3 is the centroid of the triangle. If A, B and C are points 1, 3, 4, B and C is A, 1 respectively, find the values of A and B. Also find the length of the side BC. So they have given us the coordinates of centroid. Okay, so what was the coordinate? X is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So x, what is x1? 1 plus 4 plus a. 1 plus 4 plus a is by 3 is equal to x. What is x? X is 4. So 4 is equal to 1 plus 4 plus a, and solving this we find the value of a as 7. Solving this we find the value of a as 7, and what is the formula for y? Y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So putting the values again, we get the value of b as 5. So we got the value of a and b. So the coordinates of b, what is the coordinates of b? 4, 5 and the coordinates of c are 7, 1. Okay, so previously we saw how to just use the formula, and in this example what did we see? We saw the application of the formulas. Okay, that the centroid is given and we need to find the vertices, the coordinates of the vertices. Now, next part of the question says, find the length of the side BC. Now, I hope that you know how to find the distance between 2 points. The distance between 2 points, B and C. What are the coordinates of B and C? We have the coordinates. Let's say X. Let's say A1, B1 and C is A2, B2. So the distance formula, that is the distance between B and C, is given by root over A2 minus A1 whole square plus B2 minus B1 whole square. The whole root over this. This is the formula to find the distance between 2 points. So using this formula, we will find the length of the side BC as we have the coordinates of B and C. So using this formula, what is the length of BC? The length of BC is 5 units. Okay. This example says, find the ratio in which the point minus 3, P divides the line segment joining the points minus 5, minus 4 and minus 2, 3. So we need to find the ratio. We need to find the ratio in which the point divides the line segment. We are given the point. So let's take the point as x and let's say the ratio is k is to 1 and we are also given the end points. So how do we find the coordinates of x? We know what is the formula? m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 by m1 plus m2, that is equal to x, right? So the coordinates of this point is given by minus 2 into k minus 5 by k plus 1. And what is the value of y? 3k minus 4 by k plus 1. So now the value of y and the value of x, we can equate this value with what? We can equate this with x and y that are given. So from From here, we equate the value of x with -3 and we find the value of k to be 2. And we equate the value of y, that is p, with this and we find the value of p to be 2 by 3. So this is equal to p, that is 3k minus 4 by k plus 1 is equal to p. We substitute the value of k, that is k is equal to 2 in this equation and find the value of p to be 2 by 3. So the ratio is, that is m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 1 and the value of p is 2 by 3. So this is how you solve sum or section formula. This chapter is very important chapter, and this chapter is a very scoring chapter because you just need to know very simple formula and you can easily solve the sum. So I hope this chapter was clear, and I will be back with another video. So keep watching and watch more because I am going to give you the important questions now. You can note it down, the questions, and do solve those questions. So these are the important questions. These questions, see, you can see that this question has appeared in boards, 2006 boards. So solve these questions. These questions are very important. And if you have any doubt regarding these questions, feel free to call us, feel free to visit our website. We will clear your doubts. So if you liked our video, please do give it a like and please share our video with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.